All right, you are welcome again. Let's go. The last tutorial we took, we dealt with laws of indices, and then that prompts us to go further. Okay, by now I strongly believe you have learned some of those laws very well. Okay, let's go. In these indices, we're going to take them step by step. We're going to first start with make. After taking the make in indices, we take the solid food. After taking the solid food, then we take the meat. And then after taking the meat, we take the bones. We're gonna crack bones and indices. All right, okay. All right, let's go. The make we're gonna take now is index expression. Index expression, and then most of the laws are what we're going to use to solve these expressions. Okay, now let's see what we have for today. Is it simplify the index expression? 64 raised to power 2 all over 3 times 9 raised to power 1 all over 2 times 2 raised to power minus 3. We are asked to simplify this. And please, I told you in the other time that in approaching problems, people have different methods. So in this tutorial, I'm teaching you my methods, and I believe they are going to be very simple for you. Okay? It's very, very simple, and it is standard. It is based on the laws. Okay? Now let's go. What are we going to do? We have 64 raised to power 2 all over 3 times 9 raised to power 1 all over 2 times 2 raised to power minus 3. We're going to take them one by one, and then when we pick one, we change the expression. We pick another one, we change the expression. That is another way you can rewrite it. Then we pick another one, we rewrite it. We pick another one, we rewrite it, until it's very simple for us to solve. Okay, now let's go. We pick 64 raised to power 2 all over 3. So when we pick this, it's going to give us cubic root of 64 raised to power 2. You remember in that law? Okay, now let's go. We have times root 9 all raised to power 1 times 1 all over 2 raised to power 3. These are 2 raised to power minus 3. I told you this minus just simply give you 1 all over. Then this will give you 2 raised to power 3. Okay? Yes, let's go. This 64 cubic root of 64 is trying to ask you, what is a number that will multiply itself 3 times and it will give you 64? Number that will multiply itself 3 times and it will give you what? 64. Let's go. Let's use 2. 2 times 2 times 2, 8. You see? Let's go with 3. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. No. Let's go 4. 4 times 4, 8. 8 times, 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4. Okay? And then 16 times 4 will give you what? 64. Okay, that means the answer is 4. Because 4 multiply itself in 3 places, it will give you what? 64. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64. Okay? Now we're going to have 4 raised to power what? 2 times, this one simply say a number that multiplies itself into 2 places, it will give you 3. It will give you 9. Okay? So we have 3. 3 times 3 will give you 9. Raised to power 1. Then we have 1 all over 2 raised to power 3. This 2 raised to power 3 is the same as saying 2 times 2 times 2. That is into 3 places. So it will give you 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So we have 1 all over 8. Okay? So we have 4 raised to power 2, which is 4 times 4, 16, times 3 raised to power 1, which is 3. 1. Okay. Now we have times 1 all over 8. Okay. So we have 16 times 3 times 1 all over 8. Then 16 times 3, it will give you 48. Then 48 times 1 all over 8, it will give you 48 all over 8. Then 48 divided by 8, it will give you 6. Yes, we have simplified this expression and it gave us 6. Okay, you can try and use calculator and confirm if it is correct. All right, thank you very much. Let's go. Example 2. Let's solve.